Bigfoot here with Bigfoot videos. So I've been working, and in today's video I'm going to finish up this door. I've got it padded out right here on the cedar edge right here. So I padded it out so that the thickness of the door out this direction would the front of this cedar pad that I put on the door casing would line up with the existing shiplap on the outside of the house. So when I put my main final piece of trim on here, it'll all be on a level plane, and so it'll square up on this edge. So I'm about to seal the underside of the door since I have access to it from the front, because I put a little taper on that bottom plate underneath the door so I can get to it with my sealant. So I'm going to work on getting that done, and then I should be able to go ahead and put in my air seal expanding foam for windows and doors in here in this gap here. Yeah, and then I'll trim it on another date probably. So enjoy the next clip. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. Like, share.